guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am continuing into I just finished vlogging, traveling here to Italy, and now I took a nap, took a shower, I'm freshened up, and I feel like a whole new person. Jet lag is a real freaking thing here in Italy after you travel that long, and the time change. I thought I was only gonna sleep for like a couple hours, but it was a long sleep. Anyway, so today's video that I'm starting right now is my first week in Italy, and it's gonna be kind of just like a little compilation vlog of random things that happened throughout the week. My roommates just landed and they are getting their bags and heading this way. So I figured I'd start this out. We're gonna go get dinner and I think we're gonna go out today.
I can't wait to clean my butt.
Wait, how does it clean your butt? I don't get it.
It like...
Do you sit there and like it sprays your butt?
I don't know.
I feel like it would need to go upwards more, but maybe not.
I just sprayed the door.
How pretty! Oh, yeah, you can see it. Like the city. I mean,
We out here.
we need to get to the center of the city in the next 2 days. We've been up since 4 a.m. because jet lag. So we got breakfast and ate probably 4 plates each because we don't want to eat again until later. All the little, what is it, Vespas? Oh, the Vespas is the bikes. What's the little cars? The Fiat. We're getting ready for our, what's it, welcome dinner with 41 girls and 4 boys. Maybe we'll get to sit next to one of them. We just booked.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. We've met only one person today. And then we went through our syllabuses, and Maddie's literally switching one of her classes so we can go to Dublin for St. Patty's Day.
Literally,
I mean,
one entire class.
just so that we can go to London in St. Patty's
Actually,
Day.
not even one entire class. I'm changing my entire schedule just so we can go to Dublin.
It's honestly a must. I mean, if you're in Europe and you don't go to St. Patty's Day in Dublin, then I mean, that's kind of a waste.
We might as well just go home.
I mean, it's on a Tuesday, which is kind of, you know, not ideal. So that's why we have to like skip school. It's fine, it'll be worth it. So these pants are like a little too short, but I don't really know what to do. Oh, you're so cute. Oh my god.
Hi.
How many times have we almost gotten hit by a car?
Many times. More than we should have.
The Vespas. One was, the Vespa, we're in the streets of Rome.
Hi, Roma.
Okay, well, can we cross without getting hit by a car? Oh wait, there's a car and then another car, perfect.
There's another one.
And another one? And they're whipping around the corner.
Another one.
All right, after this car, we're making a run. Go. Our purse is open. All right, let's. How is it? How is it? Did you say vominos? It's good. The Vespas.
Oh yeah, that went right up my nose.
Maddie, what are your thoughts so far about Rome? Did you cry when we were driving here?
No, I was just like, actually I did. I didn't cry, but I was just like in shock.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know, when we were at the like hotel thing,
Mhm.
it was like, it's Rome, but like, it didn't really feel like Rome.
Yeah, because we couldn't like leave the hotel because there was nothing around.
Yeah, like you'd walk around and it was like, oh, this is cool. So like,
Yeah.
the second we turned that like corner up there,
Mhm.
it was like, a whole new like, it was amazing.
Well, we like drove and like we had like an overview of like the whole city right when we pulled into Trastevere.
Because our driver's like, this is Cinta City.
Yeah, we were like,
and I look back and Riley's like bawling her eyes out. I told you she was gonna cry.
yeah, because we like hadn't really done anything the last 3 days, and we finally got to see like all the we had an overview of Rome, and then our neighborhood's so cute.
Like I could keep just driving over that one spot over and over.
I know. None of the grocery stores spoke very much English.
I literally,
oh my god,
these Italian boys were standing right behind us, and it was very embarrassing because I'm like smelling all the different soaps, and one of them like said argan, and it said soap, I think. Yeah. But it said argan, so I was like, is this soap with argan oil in it?
So we were staring for like 10 minutes probably.
And so I asked the guy that was like cutting up meat or something. I was like, can you speak English?
We're like how do you say thank you? And it's like grazie, and like we still messed it up.
Grazie.
It's not that
Tell
hard.
me that doesn't sound like I'm saying Yahtzee. Like the whitest thing I've ever heard.
So anyway, our whole thought of us getting fine and being fine in Rome not speaking Italian, no, that's just not a thing.
But the water!
It's like 50 cents for this. In the US, that'd be like $4.
I did buy a water bottle though.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Okay, so anyway, that's our update. We'll talk to you soon.
Up and at 'em, all the way to school. Up and at 'em,
Maddie. She goes up and at 'em.
She belongs to the street. I've not been up this early in like 6 years. So.
The fact that it's like, what, 7:20 and we're fully dressed out of the house is really just...
Going the wrong way.
So there's a cute little market. Oh my god, the buildings just look so cool. It's like brown. Look at the cute little market. Oh. And we found like the cutest little like square last night where everyone was outside. Or we need to go that way maybe. Oh, here's a water thing for you, Riley. They have the little spots you can literally fill up your water bottle with.
Use that.
You want to fill your water bottle up or no?
Oh yeah.
It's so cute. And it's really good water.
Yeah, but I need to buy so much stuff.
Look at this pretty walk to school. Oh wait, are those the dudes? I think those might be the guys.
Oh, they're totally the dudes.
They're the guys.
I've never had someone say that.
Is it the dudes? The dudes. The other 5 boys that are literally in our program. Oh, stop. Y'all. Pick worthy. Look at the dome in the background.
We're taking so many pictures.
Oh, you can bike down there. Oh my gosh, come on. I mean.
No, thank you.
We've made it to school. Oh, look how pretty. Got our little cappuccinos. What are your thoughts?
I'm sweaty. I'm hot. Did I mention it's so winter?
Do we mention it's winter?
It's winter. We're sweating in a tube top and I'm ready for summer. There's a max happening under the shirt, sweethearts.
We are in Rome. I'm walking home from campus right now and it's so pretty. Like, it's gorgeous. It's a 19-minute walk. It's super easy. Went to school at 8 a.m. Registered for the police, took 2 hours. Then I got my meal vouchers and my key to the school, and then we had a walking tour with some Italians about where stuff's at. Anyway, I am walking back still. I am using no data, so that means finding my way home without directions based off of streets and things that look familiar, which is more challenging than it seems when you can't read the street names. Yep. I got a practical walking tour as well, so we did that with the Italian mentors, and we have to go back at 3 to do an art tour of Rome. That was so difficult. Went the wrong way. Took me like 35 minutes to get home. Should have only taken me like 15. I'm home. Thank goodness. It's raining. I just got Wi-Fi, so I need to like text everyone that like I'm okay, because they're all texting me like, where are you? Because I walked home alone. Anyway, I'm home. My key wouldn't work, so that was fun. So far today, I'm really out of breath. I've probably walked so many miles. It's great though. I'm really enjoying being in the middle of the city now, like not being on the outskirts of the hotel. It's so cute. I love it. I was worried I wouldn't like it, but I love it. So I'm gonna rest, change because I'm sweating, and then I have to be back on campus at 3.
I'm tired of paying for oranges. I know you are. People, I mean, what is it? What do we? Audience? I'd like you to subscribe, comment, and below if you would love free oranges, because I don't want to pay for them anymore. Ciao. This is so bad.
You get it?
Do you want an in-depth close-up of how I bite into it?
I physically cannot.
Guaranteed, if you bit this orange, it would taste like that.
We're making progress.
Yeah, it's the cork. It's not.
Oh, Oppa! Is that what they say here?
Do you believe in life after love?
Look at how mad he is. It's Sunday the 2nd. We are getting ready to go to a Super Bowl party at this bar called the Highlander, which is like a 30-minute walk from here. We're going with a bunch of our friends, and it's open bar and open food, so that'll be really good because I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten really at all today, like at noon maybe, and this thing starts at 9:30 and it's 8. Maddie's alive.
Dude, you wanna see this bruise vlog?
Let's see it. Do you want to tell them how you got it?
Let's just say socks are not my friend, and also not eat cereal half naked at 4:30 in the morning and drop it on hard stone floor.
I walked 10 miles so far today. My feet hurt so much. We walked to the Coliseum. We walked through our neighborhood. Then we walked to the ruin. Is it the ruins? Is that what it's called? Like the ruins? It's like on the way to the Coliseum, like the ruins. And then we also went, it's like the big white building. I honestly don't know what it's called. I want to say it's like the Capitol. But anyway, we went out all the way up to the top of the big white building in the middle. I don't know what it's called. I really should. I'll insert the name. I'll put the name right here. Anyway, we went all the way up to the top, and it was so many steps. So my legs hurt so bad. Then we go to the Coliseum, and I had to go all the way up, like up and down to get like pictures. Then we walked all the way back, which is like 45 minutes. And basically we have to walk another hour tonight. So my legs have to get used to all the walking again. When I was in DC, I was used to it, but I am not anymore.
I don't walk. I don't run. The only thing I can do and like to do is yoga.
I know, you have to teach me through like a yoga class.
I love yoga.
Okay.
But I actually love walking. And I think that like it's really cool here because the thing is I walk really slow.
Yeah.
Like, I'm like Walmart in sandal walking slow, like slow.
We like were walking really fast, and then on the way back we walked so slow because we were so tired. But and I mean obviously there's like 100 things to see everywhere you go here, so
bottoms up.
I'm gonna insert some footage of our walk right here.
My back against something.
Also, the driver was much better than running.
We just finished our cute little dinner. We found a place that accepts our meal vouchers actually close to our house, and we have these little coupon books, and we literally feel like we're ripping food stamps in the middle of the restaurant. And they
People question us, and I'm like, have y'all never seen like someone use these before?
Oh. We also don't know how to order off menus like at all.
Yeah, I thought I was ordering, like it said spaghetti with like cheese and black pepper. Delicious, right? Sounds great. Well, spaghetti to me is pasta noodles with red sauce, right? And I don't know what I just ate. It was like
white. It was like butter and like maybe cheese with pepper.
Yeah.
No meat, nothing. But we did learn we can order it not al dente, because al dente is like hard noodles and it's so weird.
I like my noodles like I like to be like
yeah.
like
this is a cute little square by where we live. Our friends literally live right down that street and we live right on this street. And also, when people said that like you can't wear heels because there's cobblestone, nope, like they're not kidding. We've all eaten it in flats like multiple times. This street is so cute. I wish this place wasn't super expensive.
Had the best gelato I've ever eaten.
Yeah.
At that place.
Nice,
that says gelato.
nice Italian men. All right, here's our cute little building. Oh, you got your key right. Should we? Oh. Sorry. Oh my gosh. Grazie. Honestly, that happens every time we come home. Oh, I was really trying not to slam it.
I was gonna say lo siento. Like the I'm sorry. They don't know how to say it.
We always have someone that walks out right when we're walking in. Okay, we have to be quiet because it's quiet. All right, 3 flights of stairs. Here we come.